In this video, we are going to show you how to delete and organize content in Poppy AI. If you want to delete and organize stuff, it's quite simple. For example, we have a board here that looks very messy. Now, if I want to delete stuff, all I need to do is click on that element. For example, this text box over here, I want to delete it. All I need to do is press delete on your keyboard. It's done, right? And if you want to organize stuff, for example, you want let's connect this here. For example, this is pretty much everything, and oh my god, this is so messy. All we need to do is just remove the connection and move it to maybe this group or that group, right? There we go. And for example, group 2, you want to see the label edit into videos, right? There you go. Group 1, say Google Docs. So that's pretty much how you organize everything and make sure that, if you want to do this, there you go. It's very symmetrical. If you want to add another group, go put it here on the bottom and connect it to your Poppy chat. And if you want to delete, say, you have something going on, you have your system, you have your process, and it is automated, and you want to, for example, you're done with this project, you just delete every file that you have put here, and you can just reuse it or repurpose this board again. So that is how you delete and organize content in Poppy AI. And if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 off when you click on the link in the description below. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I will see you on the next video.